Welcome back to the Intermediate Excel series. In this lesson, we explore the let function. Let is a powerful tool that simplifies complex formulas by storing intermediate values inside named variables. If you have ever written a long formula that repeats the same logic several times, let is the function that solves that problem. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how let stores values inside variables, how it reduces repeated calculations, and how it makes complex formulas easier to read. We will walk through 3 practical demonstrations based on real business data. These demonstrations include margin classification, text cleaning, and inventory status. Before we begin the demonstrations, let us break down the structure of let. A let formula follows this pattern: let name 1, value 1, name 2, value 2, name 3, value 3, and finally the result. Each name stores a value. The final line returns the result. This structure allows Excel to calculate each step once, store it, and reuse it. Let us begin with the first demonstration. In cell B4, we have the product name monitor. In cell B5, we retrieve the unit price. In cell B6, we retrieve the unit cost. In cell B7, we retrieve the stock level. The let formula is placed in cell B10. The formula stores the product name, retrieves price, cost, and stock level, and calculates the margin using the formula price minus cost divided by price. The margin result for the monitor product is 0.4. This means the product has a 40% margin. This demonstration shows how let simplifies multi-step calculations by storing intermediate values. Instead of repeating lookup several times, let stores each lookup once and reuses it. Next, let us look at a text cleaning example. In cell B16, we have the raw text office-monitor-serial-7788. We want to convert this into a clean and readable format. The let formula is placed in cell B19. The formula stores the raw text, trims extra spaces, replaces hyphens with spaces, and converts the clean text into proper case. The final result of the text cleaning formula is Office Monitor Serial 7788. This demonstration shows that let is not limited to numeric calculations. It is also powerful for text transformation and data cleaning. Let allows you to build multi-step cleaning logic inside a single formula. In the third demonstration, we determine whether a product is in stock. In cell B27, we have the product name monitor. In cell B28, we retrieve the stock level using XLOOKUP. The let formula is placed in cell B31. The formula stores the product name, retrieves the stock level, and evaluates whether the quantity is greater than 0. In this example, the stock level for the monitor product is 60. Because the quantity is greater than 0, the let formula returns the result in stock. This demonstration shows how let can be used to build inventory alerts, dashboard indicators, and warehouse reporting logic. Let us connect these demonstrations to real business scenarios. Margin classification is essential for pricing decisions and profitability analysis. Text cleaning is common when importing data from external systems. Inventory status checks are used in dashboards, reorder alerts, and warehouse reporting. Let makes each of these tasks easier by storing intermediate values. In this lesson, we explored the let function and learned how it simplifies complex formulas by storing intermediate values. We applied let to 3 practical examples. These examples include margin classification, text cleaning, and inventory status. Let improves readability, reduces repeated calculations, and makes formulas easier to debug. If you found this lesson helpful, remember to subscribe to the full Intermediate Excel series. We have 50 lessons designed to help you build confidence, improve your skills, and apply Excel to real business scenarios. Thank you for learning with us.